Nigo yabo mwechano munene gucyase omugabana bwe county ya Kisii emambya yeritikoria rero yamaga yo gwakirwa esimi nagomanyiwa nigo abo bisabange ba GSU banyarako babawika asicho bisicha kutoka Segeti Kyagusi Stadium maiga yo gwikaro nigo omugabana atwarigi karo nabo bisabo abose ababoria ninkibashikurigerra nakomotebya nigo bagenda ro gutimoka
nanyolre na runyomba achari na cold breakfast na tebunga governor abaskari GSU ya bekru obisi yao ebangire governor togenda office yain kunyalika namna nje governor ni ngose bocho obisiana enachicha nanyora abaskari babangire babere korumoino pakomwe ekareka kurigani mena abakuwa ni kwa boli kimoko ligiga abaskari abante bibyanga ya ntu etwacha ko relax stadium muda onye moko relax onye moto mugete ngakingoko iba onye moto mugete ngakingoko ibanga babere you know that's taking position
Kurengana no muskarati nigatebire nigaga ntukurwa nyobo kurumi asaburira abanyanyimo ko mutarira cinga kicyamo gasona gakora kende gyonzi korende tari cinga ki cyabutuko
igonda dode ngaki abaskari tigagotumya abaskari bobe abaskari abagenda barende egasi yabo andonses bako onye nakolera magos court nero and tinkonyara gotama lazimambe gaiga gavana ya Kisii
Wigoni gomuskarati arokobore gochasomo waziri boberendi baime Professor Kithure Kindiki wotigo tumeka abanyanyimbo bobe nabo igakomenta buna ogochaki wagwesako yabona bodaboda eikiyeta negati yokoreta magandrase sector yokorende tari okoreta obobe engana eiroko bakono muraibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto
emechando yoka ya kolekanira ngana abana bekikibayo kiramu basangiri kibesa bayagakire bayira abana ki school mbatageti gente ebatageti umubusiya mu busitago kukindega I'll make sure na bekire egento keokonya abantu baito baba basaya baba bana baba baka ekine kibangakirta abantu bangakirteko and I'll stand
maiga yayo nigomo akiri bo mugabana Arati'S George Marara amo nabo bisabande banyaka babako genda no mugabana ayemasemo ikachabisi cia DCI memo cyobosongo nakorikia oroboti abose Marara atuguteirare cinguma muno mugabana we county ya Kisii Arati niganya kabagakobekwa biara.
Our visit to the Directorate of Criminal Investigation Kisii County Office is we have accompanied the governor as his advocates and members of the county assembly and citizens of Kisii County for the sole purpose for the governor to make a police report where it is at his office. The norm or the word going out that the governor Kisii County, Paul Simba Arati, has been arrested and is at the DCI Kisii. The governor Kisii County, Paul Simba Arati, has come as a law-abiding citizen to report of an anomaly, an illegality, an unlawful action or activity that was being perpetrated in his offices.
Reporteria Oyominto TV kurwase county ya Kisii omochobosongo retaria na Pethuel Machin.